What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer eFootball mobile account to PC. So, you might be wondering how do you exactly transfer your eFootball mobile account here. Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up the eFootball mobile account that you currently have right now, and you want to go and click on the three bar icon that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says data transfer. And you want to go ahead and just transfer your account in either Google Play account or your Konami ID here, which in this case, I would recommend you to use Konami ID here, which in this case, once you click on transfer data, link to a Konami ID, it should open up a new window, which in this case, you just need to fill out some details in order for you to transfer your game or your progress into your Konami ID or link that. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just open up eFootball in whatever platform that you want to use it. So for example, we have Steam for PC games. So for example, if you use this one, you just need to click on the add to library option here. It's going to say eFootball has been added to your account. Click on OK, and you just need to go to your library, and you just want to look for eFootball here. Install this, and once you've installed this, run the game, and you can just basically log in using your Konami account that you've transferred, or you're connected your details or your progress from your mobile account, which in this case, once you've logged in into your Konami account via eFootball on your PC, you should be able to continue your progress on that account. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.